Hi, welcome to Glide Fix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to complete your face verification on your Gemgala app. So the first step you have to take is to open your Gemgala. You all know what Gemgala is, but if you don't know, let me just state it for you. Gemgala is a social media platform that allows you to play mini games, host party, make voice chat, and aim from the app. So the step you have to take in order to fix verification, because with this verification you can have more features from this app, is to click on the profile icon here. So from here, next thing you have to do is to click on my profile. From here, next thing you're going to see the last feature here that says face verification not verified. So you just click on it and allow it to have access to your phone. Now you just have to obey simple instructions like turn your head, blink your eyes. So if your face verification is successful, this is how it will look like. So guys, I hope with this guide you'll be able to fix your face verification on your Gemgala app. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow Glide Tech Fix for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.